And now we have with us Priya Nair, Executive Director, Beauty and Personal Care, Hindustan Unilever Limited. Thank you so much, Priya, for joining. Can you tell us more about what Hindustan Unilever does specifically with children?
HUL has been working in India across the decades for our initiatives on hygiene, sanitation, nutrition. Since 2010, our brand Lifebuoy has educated more than 72 million children in India on good hand washing behavior. We have reached almost 28 million children and their communities with providing a safe, clean toilet to these children and their communities. On nutrition, we reach out to over 30,000 villages through our Horlicks Swasth Abhiyan program. So really, I hope this gives you some sense of the kind of work that we've been doing, and also our commitment towards transforming the lives of our children and making them more nourished and really providing a better future to our children.
Priya, COVID has brought its own set of challenges in 2020. How is Hindustan Unilever addressing these challenges and supporting the country in a sense?
You know, HUL was one of the first organizations that announced a 100 crore fund towards helping the nation fight the coronavirus. And we did this in March of 2020. And we took a range of measures, and the most important being that as the biggest soap manufacturer of the country, we really took the opportunity to donate almost 2 crore soaps to the vulnerable and more needy sections of our society. We partnered with UNICEF to actually distribute these soaps over 18 states and support these vulnerable sections of the population to fight the pandemic. These soaps have reached the most remote parts of our country, be it, in the far northeast of our country or in tribal areas of central India or in the slums of our urban centers. I think the second is really between UNICEF and us, we developed a national mass media communication campaign, which was called Virus Ki Kadi Todo. And this behavior change campaign really aimed to educate consumers about washing hands, about the importance at that moment during the lockdown of staying at home, or to contribute generously towards the challenge of COVID and the issues that many of our migrants were having across the country. This campaign reached almost 600 million people and actually had very strong results.
Now, Priya, there are some very interesting initiatives as well, in store. Could you tell us a little bit about what Hindustan Unilever has in mind, especially with UNICEF?
So, we're really very delighted with our partnership with UNICEF over the years. They're our strategic partner in our initiatives to protect and safeguard the needs of children. We have announced an additional commitment of $1 million towards these initiatives in wash, health, hygiene with UNICEF. And really our focus between HUL and UNICEF is to ensure that we address these real pressing issues and really leave no one behind in this entire challenge that faces many of our children and help really create a brighter, better future for our children.
Well, Priya, thank you so much, and hopefully that brighter future for our children. It's so important that companies do come into this, and it's wonderful to hear about the contribution that you're making.